Please stand by. The President of the United States is going to speak on all stations. Shorty, happy 4th of July.
The following message is transmitted at the request of myself, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the United States government, all police departments in the United States, and TNT fireworks. At 10 o'clock p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and at 12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. There has been reports of draining out of fireworks that are lit in the area. The fireworks are so bloody that you can't even take these fireworks anymore. Do not light them. It's potentially dangerous. Whereas fireworks in any colors, that's why when the colors of fireworks in it, the blood changes colors to red, green, blue, brown, white, black, or rainbow. The fireworks that are affected with blood are TNT fireworks, and many more. So all citizens in the in the United States are advised to take fireworks shutting out as the fireworks are toxic and covered with blood drains. Fireworks is explosive firework will result in certain death. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies. Avoid charged cell phone, charger, sleeping bags of biggest, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. As a country, we will be stronger than ever. Even when this part of our is still in effect, we will be the strongest country in the world. Back to the EAS guy. And the reason why I took over president because Donald Trump has sacrificed in the fireworks to save his life from the fireworks. Back to you. Now back to the emergency alert system.
This has been the message from the President. We will return to normal programming.